The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G is an anticipated addition to Xiaomi's popular Redmi Note series, aiming to deliver a balance of performance and affordability. Rumored to feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it promises vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, the device may house a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options reaching 1 TB, ensuring robust performance for multitasking and storage needs. Photography enthusiasts might appreciate its triple camera setup, potentially comprising a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, while a 20MP front camera could cater to high-quality selfies. A 5110 mAh battery with 45W wired charging support is expected to keep the device powered throughout the day. Additionally, features like an under-display fingerprint sensor, IP64, rated dust and water resistance, and the latest Android 15 with HyperOS 2 are anticipated. Please note that these specifications are based on rumors and have not been officially confirmed by Xiaomi.